This is for Algebra 1. This is S1P6. Remember, we don't want to read everything if we can keep from it. Let's go read your sentence. Which graph correctly compares the cost of these competing electricity plans? You're going to have to go back and read this one. You don't always, but this time you will. Okay, Everyday Electric Company offers a plan with a base cost of $50 a month plus 75 cents per kilowatt hour. So 50 plus 75 cents X. Consumer Power Limited offers a plan with a base cost of 30 plus 0.125 X. So what I would recommend doing here is going to y equal and putting my equations in. We have 50 plus 0.75x. That is actually supposed to be a 0.075x. So 0.075x. And then at y2, we have 30 plus 0.125x. What you could do here is pick a point, like let's see at 300, what we're going to get. So we're going to go to y equal. Actually, we're going to go to our table setup and tell it to start at 300. Look at your table, and the first one is 72.5, and the second one is 67.5. If the x is 300, so 72.5 and 67.5. 72.5, 67.5. So is, and by the way, you need to know which one is which. The 50 or the 30 talks about your starting point. So this one starts here at 50, right? And so at 300, it is nearly 90. Is that nearly 90? No. At 300, okay, we're going on the 51. At 300, that is, looks like about 72, so that looks okay. On the other one, it is, okay, that one really looks pretty good. Let's try the other one. At 300, it's at 60 something, so that's wrong. And at 300, they're both really low, so neither one of those are correct. So your answer is B. Looking at number 2, you don't have to worry about reading what's above it. You have a table. If she were to keep her base project fee the same but increase her hourly rate by $5, what would be the total cost for a 9-hour survey? A couple of things you could do. Probably the best thing to do here is go into stat and put your points in. So we have 1, 2, 5, and 8. We have 171, 217, 355, 493. Going to go to stat, calc 4 to get your equation. And it is 46x plus 125. 46x plus 125. If she increases the hourly rate by $5, well, which one of these is 5? Would be this right here. Okay, so if you increase it by 5, it is now 51x plus 125. And if you're going to do this for 9 hours, it would be 51 times 9 plus 125 gives you 584. Number 3, don't worry about what's above it. Which of these best represents the range? Remember, range is talking about your y. So go find your high point, which is right about there, and know that it's going to be below that. The lowest it ever gets is here. So from 0 to 7, answer is C. In the given function, the slope will be multiplied by -1. This is your slope. So -2 times -1 is a positive 2x. And the y value of the y-intercept will be increased by 2. So it's going to go up 2. So plus 2. -3 plus 2 is -1. So your new equation is 2x minus